How? Alright, I'm happy to meet you today. I'm going to be talking about how to find out the equation of the tree function if you are given its curve. Let's start. As you see here, we have this curve, and this curve may represent the curve of a sine function or a cosine function. We can use both the two equations to find out the equation of this curve. But first of all, let's remember the 4 parts to 5 parts we studied before: the magnitude, phase shift, period, and vertical translation. Then we are going to make use of these 4 parts to find out the equation of this curve. So let's start. We have in general the magnitude, which is used by m, which is equal to, you have to keep in mind this formula: maximum minus minimum, all divided by 2. And here we have the maximum point at 5 and the minimum point at -1. That equals 5 minus -1 all divided by 2, which is equal in the sentence from 5 plus 1 equals 6 divided by 2 equal 3. Then A, we have the two equations. We are going to talk about sine function or cosine function. Let's see how to find out this equation. We are going to talk about y equals a sine bx minus c all plus d. And then the amplitude, which is equal to a, maybe 3 or -3 according to the direction of the curve. This curve is going between 5 and -1. And let's start to find B, C, and D. To find out D, then you have to keep in mind that D, which is the vertical translation, is equal to what? Maximum plus minimum, all divided by 2. And here we have the maximum, which is 5 plus -1, all divided by 2. In the simplest form, 5 minus 1, 4 divided by 2, 2. Then we have the vertical translation at the point 0 and 2, and this point is here. This point is which lie on the midline, and this represents the midline. Here we have our midline. We can draw our midline to figure out how to find out the equation of this curve. Then we have D and we have A here. D and A are determined. Perfect. Actually, to find out B, we must find out the period of this curve, and this rate is distance that the curve cuts before starting a new period. And this, if you are going to use the sine formula, then this is the curve we must use. Here we have a long cycle. And this part from this, which is 2 pi, to this 0 to 2 pi, then the length of the period here, or our period, is 2 pi. Actually, period P, period. My period P equals 2 pi. And if you return to the formula we used before, that P equals 2 pi over P. P equals 2 pi over P. Consequently, B equals 2 pi over P. Then we have B equals 2 pi over P equals 2 pi over 2 pi, which is equal to 1. Then B equals 1. We have A, B, and D. How to find out C? Then we can find out C if we plug in B, which is equal to 1, and X here, we start here at 0. Then X here is 0. We started from the point 0, okay? Then this X is 0 on this part, and then if Bx plus C minus C, equals 0, then B, which is equal to 1, X and which is equal to 0, minus C equals 0, consequently C equal to 0. Then we can find out, using this information, we can find out our equation perfectly. Actually, we must differentiate between two parts. If this A is positive or negative, according to the way that the curve is moving. And this curve is moving in this way. This is a positive Wait, the a here is positive, a equal positive 3. Then we have b, which is equal to 2. We have b and a. Then we can directly write down the equation, which is y equals sine a 3 sine b, which is equal to 1x minus c, which is equal to 0, plus d, which is equal to 2. And this is the equation. Okay? Again, can you think in another way we can find out the equation using another technique? Can you use a cosine formula to find the equation? This is what I'm going to do now. Pay attention. If I'm going to use the cosine formula, as first example, or as this example, I used for the sun, I started from here, and my cycle, this is the first cycle from this part to this part. I'm going to talk now about if you are going to use y equals a cosine bx minus c all plus d. You have to find out this equation. Okay, a and d are plus something equals the sine and the cosine, and we have actually a which is equal to 3 and d which is equal to 2. But what about finding out b and c? Then, where must I start my equation? Then, I'm going to start my equation from this point. From this point, which is equal to pi over 2. Okay? Okay. And then I'm going to move to one cycle and determine how much is this cycle. What is the length of this cycle? 5 pi, so 5 pi. Then this cycle is here where I'm going. From pi over 2 to 5 pi over 2. And this distance about 4 pi over 2, which is in the simplest form 2 pi. Then our p equals 2 pi. 5 pi over 2 minus pi over 2, which is equal to 4 pi over 2 in the simplest form 2 pi. And consequently, p equals 2 pi over b, and b equals 2 pi over p, which is equal to 2 pi over 2 pi in the simplest form equals 1. Then after getting b, a, and d, we must find out c. How to find out c? Then let pay attention, and bx minus c equal 0. But what about b and x? b is 1 here, and x point at which we start is pi over 2 minus c equals 0. Then by calculating, then c equals pi over 2. Then the equation is y equals a, which is equal to 3, positive or negative. Actually, we started from the maximum. Then we have positive 3 cosine b, which is equal to 1x minus c minus pi over 2 plus d, which is equal to 2. Pay attention and look carefully at these two equations, then you can find out a relation between sine and cosine. As you know that sine, we can find out a relation between them. Then sine x, which is equal to sine cosine pi over 2 minus x. But we are familiar to use x minus pi over 2. The cosine pi over 2 minus x is the same as cosine x minus pi over 2 according to the identity that cosine negative x equal cosine x. Then it does not matter if you would change it or interchanges. If you would interchange the positions of pi over 2 and x, and this is what we do. What we did here in this equation. then we can directly find out this equation from this equation without making the same techniques to find out this equation, which is 3 cosine x minus pi over 2 is the same cosine 3 cosine pi over 2 minus x, okay? And then this is the equation. Can you think little about another method to find out the equation with this curve? Let's see how to use another method. Okay. This depends on the point at which I'm going to start with, okay? And here I'm going to start with this point. I'm going to start with this point. It will give me negative sign. If I'm going to use this point, then here I'm going to have negative sign, and then move to this point. Here, from here to here, then you will move one cycle or one period. And this period, the length of this period, 3 pi minus pi is the same as 2 pi. Okay? Then, I'm going to use also the sign formula y equals 3a sine bx minus c all plus d. Okay? And actually I started here from this point, and our period is 2 pi. Then b equals 2 pi. And so we can find out we have the same a and we have the same d. We have the same vertical translation, which is 2, and we have the same amplitude, which is 3. Okay? And 2 pi, the period from this point, which is pi, to this point, which is 3 pi minus pi equals 2 pi, and consequently b equals 1. To find out c, put down bx minus c equals 0, and x here is the phase shift, the point at which we start our drawing. This point, which is bar here, this is x, then 1 times y minus c equals 0, consequently c equals pi. Then we can find out the formula of this equation, which is y equals, but pay attention here, is a positive 3 or negative 3? Oh, this curve is moving from the red line down, not up. The sign is up, it's moving this way. This is the sign. Okay? But here the sign, if the sign starts from this way, then it is negative. A here is negative. Negative 3. 3 what? 3 sign. B, which is equal to 1, x minus c minus pi, all plus 2, which is equal to d. Actually, we have 3 equations, and the 3 equations are the same. And if you are going to find out the equation of the curve, it depends on the point at which you will start your curve. Okay? And however, you must use, if you are going to find out the equation of this curve, you must use the point which will you the quick and the perfect equation without making any big effort. I'm done now. Until next time, see you. Bye bye.